tao na kailanman huwag na huwag nating pababayaan. Una, yung taong kahit mawalan na siya, magkaroon ka lang. That is your dad. Pangalawa, yung taong hindi ka iiwan, lalong-lalo na sa gitna ng malubhang kalagayan. And that is your mom. The book of Ephesians says, chapter 6, verse 2, honor your father and mother, which is the first commandment with a promise, so that it may go well with you and that you may enjoy long life on earth. Hindi ho ito formula. Pero kung gusto nating magkaroon ng mahaba, hindi lang mahabang buhay, masayang buhay, punong-puno ng kapayapaan, ito ho yung sinasabi ng Panginoon. Let's honor our parents.